What's up, you guys? This is Brittany, and I'm coming to you with an install/review on some hair. As you can see, I have my wig cap on. I have cornrows. I don't, sometimes I do the ball cap method. Sometimes I don't. But most of the time, I just, like, put Got2b glue spray on my band and on the band of the wig cap and just rock it that way. So, let's get started. So, I got another wig from this lovely company, Unice Hair, a natural extension of you. What do you say? 100% human hair wig in the fastest ever changing world. Time is precious, is a precious thing. How can we balance both beauty and time? Wig collections will allow you to be your own stylist and be different. Now, as you guys know, Brittany changes her hair to change her mood. So I went outside the box. Like, when I went to you, I went outside the box. So let me tell you guys what I got in the pack. I got another Unice, wrap to wrap around for my lace. I got a wig cap. I got this Unice. It says, thank you for your purchase. Treat your extensions like your own hair. Use sulfate-free shampoo and deep condition. All of that. So, I have a 16-inch I have a 16-inch straight burgundy wig. It is a 4x4 closure. It has a clamp in the back and 2 on each side. And then it also has the pulley, like I'll say a bra strap string on it. So what I am going to do is I'm going to show you guys me putting this on. I'm very nervous because I don't do color. If you watch me for years, Brittany never did. Girl, do you see this? Girl, I can't even wear this to work, girl. So let's see how this works. right, you guys, this is the finished look. Whew, this is so different from me. Like, this is so different from me. But back to Unice company. They have great customer service. I will also put a code down below so that you can get a percentage off from them. They have plenty nice wigs and that are really inexpensive. As you guys know, there's like in China, there's a lace shortage. So this is actually just a 4x4 lace instead of like a full frontal. But, baby, red head, hun. I don't even know what to say. I'm thinking about maybe I should just put some red in my eyebrows, but I can't go that far. I'm doing too much already. But let me show you guys the back of the hair. This is how long it is on me. And this is a 16 inch. This is a 16 inch. So tell me what y'all think about this. Tell me, do y'all want me to try more color? Because like this is so out of the box for me. And let me know. And I shall see you in my next video.